Want killer performance on your gaming PC without emptying your wallet? Let's talk storage secrets. Building a budget gaming PC? Here's what storage you need. First, grab an SSD for your operating system and main games. Why? SSDs are super fast. Your PC boots quicker, apps open faster, and game load times drop. A 250GB to 500GB SSD is perfect. And if your motherboard supports it, go for an NVMe SSD for even faster speeds. For the rest of your files and games, use an HDD. It's slower than an SSD, but much cheaper for large storage. A 1TB or 2TB HDD is great for storing games that don't need fast load times, plus your music, videos, and documents. So, SSD for speed, HDD for space. The perfect balance for a budget build. Happy gaming!